Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to split the screen on HP Pavilion 15. To split the screen, open at least two apps, up to 4. So I'm gonna open two apps, then choose any of them, start dragging it at the top. So to drag an app, I'm gonna show you the touchpad. You can either press on the left bottom side, then start dragging the window. As you can see here, I'm dragging it. You need to be pointing on the top of the window with your cursor, or you can also do it by double tapping on the touchpad. Then as you tap once, then second time, and with the second time don't release, just start moving your finger around and you can see it works. So as I'm dragging the window, just drag it up, then you can select the option to put your window in. So I'm gonna put it just on the left side. Then it asks me what to do on the right side. I can click on the white space to not do anything, or click on the window I want to open. But now I have these two opened. I can also resize them. But in a moment I'm also gonna show you a simpler way of doing that. So you can also put the window on the right or left side by sliding it all the way to the right or all the way to the right or left and releasing, and you can see it's in the split screen. Now I'm gonna open two additional windows to put them all in splits, in like 4 window split screen. So to do it, you can also just slide it up to this bar, then select the option, or you can slide the window to the corner, then it will open in the corner. So I'm gonna open just these windows, and I can also resize them here. So I'm gonna resize them like that and like that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.